Hi, my name is Saad Chalabi. I'm CEO of XCube, a newly formed fintech aiming to strengthen the competitiveness of capital markets in Dubai.
Hi there, my name is Galen Moore. I'm the head of market making at BHM Capital. We make markets across the DFM and Nasdaq Dubai in cash equities and equity derivatives. Hey Saad, how are you doing?
Very good. How are you?
Very well. Good, sir. All good.
It's been a good year so far, no?
It's been an excellent year. We've had lots of volatility.
Yeah.
Lots of corporate actions.
Yeah.
And
absolutely.
it's been a good year for the region and the local markets.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, liquidity has also been great in the cash equities. Locally, regionally, everywhere, as well as performance as well has been significant, strong outperformance. But the futures market still seeing a bit lackluster performance there.
And I think that we've seen some of the futures maybe not have that uptake which we would have liked, because some investors are perhaps scared about derivatives as if it's a scary word, when really when you break it down, it's just a reflection of the underlying cash market.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, and then the benefits as well. I mean, I think if those benefits were a bit more maybe clearer to a lot of these investors, they wouldn't just pass on such an opportunity.
Yeah, because of course you're paying 2 or 3% a year for a futures contract versus 12 or 13%
which is
for a margin account.
It's a massive difference.
Yeah, it's not a few basis points.
It's not a few basis points, exactly. I mean, something like that is you can't ignore something like that. I don't care if you're a professional investor, not professional investor.
Yeah,
that's gonna hurt your bottom line.
Of course.
And I think it's that kind of features that if people had more access to or under really trusted in them, they could actually utilize them to their advantage.
Yeah, because of course, the way that you can use futures as part of your building your portfolio, you only need 20% of the exposure.
Roughly, yeah, absolutely. I think, and that's capital efficiency, right?
Of course.
I mean, it's derivatives are an integral part of capital efficiency, and this is a very growing subject in portfolio management in general.
Yeah.
And this is why I think we see derivatives growing so rapidly globally.
Yeah.
I feel like it's just a matter of time until we start seeing a lot more of that action here. I mean, do you, or what do you think about that?
Yeah, I mean, we will see, and we do see, if you just take historical examples. These markets take a little while to get accepted, but once they are accepted, then you get a lot of mainstream participation, and of course volumes beget volumes, higher volumes. So
absolutely,
I'm pretty confident these will be.
So am I. I think it's they're usually kind of a slow start, and then we kind of pick up quite fast. Even globally, in the last 10 years, I think most of that growth was there because this kind of exponential move up if we take a look at it. So we're thinking hopefully this kind of comes up sooner than later.
Yeah, I'm sure it will.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, it's always great talking to you.
And you, sir.